Alright everyone, welcome back. Hope you're doing well today, and you're looking at a 2025 BMW 330 with xDrive, all-wheel drive. This is at BMW Crystal Lake. If you'd like to come see me for your next BMW or your Mazda, feel free to reach out. I'll put my email address right here. But now let's get this ready for the new owner. This is a beautiful Dravit Gray 3 Series. So I usually don't like gray colors. I've had one before on a 335 and it was sort of boring. This is really attractive though. I love the black wheels with it. You got the red calipers on M Sport brake setup. So this is a metallic. It really shows well. Has some gray, green, and brown hues to it. Looks really good as a contrast to the brake lights. And then we'll get in there, we'll clean it up and make sure there's no smudges from manufacturing or anything like that. Here you can really see the Dravit Gray effect. Right off the bat, I'm just gonna see this little spot here. Little adhesive there. Alright, let's get into the interior. Our mirrors seem to be fine on either side. Check the door jamb for no scuffs, scrapes, or visual noises. This usually has some dust on it. Looks pretty good right now. I love that they went with the wood grain on here on this panel and here. I think it looks a little bit more timeless than the aluminum choice. Have it here too. Laminate the owner's MSRP. We'll pop this in the trunk. Also take the time to put the vacuum lines in the floorboard. Alright, so that door jamb or door sill looks good. Vents are open. Automatic headlamps are on, full tank of fuel. Console looks nice without all the high gloss plastic. Looks good. Set the seat back. We'll put the books together. Now in the BMW these days you get 2 MSRPs. So window stickers, you get 2 of them. We laminate one of them and I put one in the book with my card and the Genius. Gorgeous looking gray. Again, I don't usually like gray on cars, but this has such a nice hue to it. Alright, so we're looking pretty good. My team did a great job getting this ready for delivery, and we'll put a podium together, put the bow on there. Alright, bow's on, podium's finished, and we are ready for our new owner to take ownership of their brand new BMW from BMW Crystal Lake. Safe travels, congratulations, and I'll see you in the next one.